If you want to talk about your routines and exceptions to those routines, but you don't know how to talk about them and which tenses you must use, stay tuned. Hi, my lovely friends, and welcome back to English Paradise. I'm Fatima, and I've started a free English course from level A1 to level C2. Now we are at level A2, lesson 7. So if you want to participate in this free English course, please check the description below for more information. In this video, we are going to use two tenses, simple present and present continuous. So if you have any problems with these two tenses, please check these videos. Okay, now look at this sentence carefully. I usually drive to work, but today I'm walking. So we have three parts in this sentence: present simple, but, and present continuous. The simple present describes something we do regularly, so it's a routine. And then we have but to contrast actions. And then we have the present continuous that describes something we are doing now, so it's an exception. I'm going to remind you some adverbs of frequency that help you to show the present simple action is a routine, and they're usually, mostly, often, and normally. And also in the present continuous part, we have some time markers like right now, at the moment, this afternoon, this morning, today, and tonight. So finally, we have this verb, a subject, an adverb of frequency, a verb, so it is simple present, comma, but, a time marker, and then present continuous. For example, I often stay at home on the weekends, but today I'm shopping in town. They usually go to the gym after work, but tonight they are going to the movies. Ben usually sings at the school band, but today he is playing the guitar. Sarah and I normally play tennis on Wednesdays, but today we are swimming. We often watch TV in the evenings, but tonight we are having a party. Ben and Time usually work until 6 p.m., but tonight they are working until 9 p.m. Phil usually runs, but today he is cycling. Sally usually runs, but right now she is playing soccer. Abe normally runs, but tonight he is listening to music. I usually take a shower, but today I'm taking a bath. It's easy, right? Okay, now let's listen to the audio and mark which activities are exception. Are you ready? Let's listen.
So, what are you doing right now?
Well, I usually go fishing on Fridays, but at the moment, I'm sailing a boat.
That sounds great.
Yes, there are lots of surfers in the ocean and dolphins too.
Wow, amazing. I'm so jealous.
Please leave a message after the tone.
Hi, Michelle. It's me. I know we usually go to a restaurant on Friday evenings, but tonight I want to cook you a meal. Let me know what you want to eat. Anyway, see you later. Love you.
How was it? Did you get the correct answers? Now I want you to listen to the audios and write the answers in the comments below. Then I will check them and I will give you some corrections if you need it. Okay?
It's the intermission, but I'm going back on stage in a few minutes. I usually act in plays, but tonight I'm singing. I'm so nervous, but I think it's going well.
Good luck.
Hi, Daniela. What are the children doing? They usually watch TV after school.
Oh, well, right now, they're drawing pictures. They're having fun.
Great. Can you read them a story later on?
Of course.
I hope you enjoyed this lesson. Please like and subscribe for more.